Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about the TopBuilder CRM for Sage interface. For this demonstration, we're going to demo the interface using Sage Contractor 100. We will start the demonstration with a short overview and then we'll demonstrate it live using the Sage Contractor 100 application. We will begin by mentioning that setting up this interface literally takes 5 minutes. All you have to do is copy a few files to the machine where Sage runs, run a few SQL scripts, and it's ready to go. Once the interface is turned on, TopBuilder will receive all the customers, customer contacts, jobs, and job contacts from Sage into TopBuilder to seed the TopBuilder CRM account, making it an instant data conversion process. Not only do we bring in the clients, the contacts, and the job, but we'll set up the pick lists with the Sage job statuses, the job types, and the client types, so you have those available in TopBuilder and they match those values you have in Sage, and this happens automatically. Once all the clients and the contacts and the jobs are converted, TopBuilder will send any new jobs or new customers or new customer contacts over to Sage when they are awarded within the CRM. Once that happens, TopBuilder will monitor the status of all the clients, all the jobs, all the contacts for any changes. Any changes that take place get sent to TopBuilder for updates. Additionally, the job financials, when updated in Sage, are sent back to TopBuilder, including the revised contract amounts with change orders, the changes to the start dates and the end dates of the job, and very importantly, the status of the job. Then once the status makes it over to TopBuilder, we apply the all-important workflow that is necessary to follow up on that job when the status changes. Now this is all very important because the reporting within TopBuilder, which includes the financial reports, the analytics, the performance reports, and the dashboards, are all driven off of those financials within Sage, and they're up to date at all times. Now let's see this live within Sage Contractor 100. Okay, so as we've already discussed, all the clients, client contacts, job, and job contacts now live in TopBuilder CRM after we turned on the interface. So for demonstration purposes, what we're going to do is we're going to take an existing Sage client that lives within TopBuilder and a new job or a new lead in TopBuilder. We're going to set the status to that job to awarded, and we're going to see it appear in Sage as a new job. And then what we'll do is we'll update that job and see the changes back in TopBuilder. Okay, so let's do that. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go into TopBuilder and we're going to go into one of our Sage clients, okay? And we're going to find that client, TopBuilder Construction, and then we're going to look up the opportunities we have for that client, TopBuilder Construction. So we have this one job that's in bid submitted status, and we can see that we have the contacts for the job, we have the job address, we have a start date, we have an end date, we also have expected revenue and the contracted amount that we're going to send over to Sage. Okay? Now once we set the status of this job to job awarded, it's going to trigger the interface to send that job over to Sage with the actual contract date as well. Okay, so that's what's going to happen now. And we'll go over into Sage. We'll go look up that client, TopBuilder Construction, and then we'll look at the jobs within TopBuilder Construction. And there we have it, the Sage Contractor 100 job. We can open up that job and that we can see we have the job address and the contacts. Now one of these contacts doesn't actually work for that client. And so that's an additional contact we just added to Sage. We also have the start date and the end date, the date the contract was signed, and the actual revenue on that job. Now, if we have change orders and we change the actual revenue for that job, and let's say we go ahead and change the status of that job to complete, okay? And then let's go ahead while we're at it and let's change one of those contacts. Let's change another contact. Save the information, okay? And then now, when we go back over to TopBuilder, okay, we will have all those changes within TopBuilder. Okay, so now that we're back in TopBuilder CRM for Sage, we're going to refresh the job information in CRM, and we'll see that the information has been updated from Sage. The status of the job is now set to completed. The contacts have been updated with the changes that we made. The details of the job have been updated to include the actual start date and the actual complete date. And I know they're the same, but we make them the actual start and the actual complete because they were updated from Sage. We'll also notice that the actual revenue was also updated from Sage from the actual revenue contained within Sage, but it did not affect the contracted amount or the expected revenue. Now, very importantly, what we also have is we have a new follow-up plan. We have a new follow-up plan that was applied from the status change, and we're using the job completed follow-up plan now. And this job completed follow-up plan has the normal things that you would do when you complete a job. You may send a survey out, you'll follow up with the customer, maybe ask for the next phase of the work or the service agreement. It's completely customizable the way you want it to appear, but that plan is automatically updated as the status changes from Sage. So this concludes our demo. We hope you enjoyed it and found that it was very informative. We look forward to working with you very soon.